Warm greetings from my English master. In this channel, you get classes 10, 11, and 12 CBS English lessons, explanations, notes, etc. Please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. You will be notified when we upload the video. In this video, I am going to discuss about the recent changes that CBS has made in the 2020-21 examination pattern. 30% of the portions are deleted from the syllabus to support the children in these days of pandemic. Now let us discuss the pattern pattern here. Here it is English language and literature. Your code number is 184. And class 10 2020-21 section wise weightage, that is what we are going to discuss. Children, as you all know, we have section A, section B and section C. 3 sections we have. And section A, reading skills. Section B, writing skills with grammar. And section C, literature textbook and supplementary reading textbook. And these are the 3 sections in our question paper. And now let us discuss about the part A. See, in this particular question paper, you are getting part A and part B like that only, because earlier in our class 10 question paper we had section A, section B and section C questions. Part A, reading section 20 marks, that is the mark allotted for section A reading. First one, it comes a multiple choice question based on a discursive passage of 400 to 450 words to test the inference, evaluation and vocabulary. 10 out of 12 questions to be answered. So here you should remember one thing, you are getting 12 questions and of the 12 you need to attempt only 10 questions. So 10 questions means one question carries 1 mark each. So 10 into 1, 10. That is the first passage question pattern. Mark pattern. And in the second passage also, you are getting the same mark distribution. So 10 out of 12 questions to be answered. 1 mark each for 10 questions. But the word limit, the total words of the passage is less in this second passage. It is 300 to 350. Earlier it was 400 to 450 in the first passage. Okay, but this passage is also somewhat different also. You see this, it is a case based factual passage with visual input, statistical data, chart, etc. Okay, so total length of the passage will be 700 to 750 words. That is the length of the passage for these two. So here you are getting 20 marks. Children, you please remember this. This is the very safe area where you can easily score that 20 marks out of 20 in this reading section. Try to improve your reading skill so that it is easy to score the complete mark in this section. Now go to the part A itself. The literature reader questions are also given. That is another change that CBSE has brought in. So you see this literature reader textbook, 10 marks question we are getting. So the third question in the part A section means part A, that is multiple choice questions based on an extract from drama, prose to test the inference, evaluation and vocabulary. Any 1 out of 2 extract to be done. So you are getting options also there. 2 extracts will be given and of the 2 you need to attempt only 1. And in that particular extract you will get 5 questions with 1 mark each. So you are getting 5 marks there. Okay, so remember it will be from drama or prose. Okay, that is the extract we can expect from. And the fourth question, multiple choice questions based on an extract from poetry to test analysis and interpretation. Any 1 out of 2 extract to be done. So here also the same type of question we are getting. 2 extracts will be given to you and of the 2 you are supposed to write only 1. Okay, here also for that particular extract 5 questions will be there and 1 mark each, 5 marks. So 5 plus 5 10 marks literature reader multiple choice questions are asked in the part A. Then grammar. Grammar is also given that 10 marks over there. 10 multiple choice questions out of 12 to be answered. Questions shall be based on the following. So here also you see that 12 questions. Out of 12 questions you need to answer what? 10 multiple choice questions there. So one question, 1 mark. That is the design of that section. So here you are getting the questions type, tenses, models, subject verb concord, reported speech, commands, statements, questions, and determiners. So these are the deleted topics from the grammar section. You see that use of passive voice, then clauses, nouns, and adverbs, relatives, and prepositions. These are the deleted topics, and you need to concentrate only on tenses, model, subject verb concord, reported speech, commands, request, statements, questions, and determiners. So this is the part A section. Once again, 20 marks reading, 10 marks literature reader textbook, and 10 marks grammar. So part A carries 40 marks total. So we move on to the next part, that is part B, subjective questions. That also carries what? 40 marks. 40 marks. Part B you are getting 40 mark in the part B section. So in the part B section, first item is writing. Writing, you are getting altogether 10 marks. We have 2 questions, writing question number 1 and question number 2. The first question is a formal letter writing. Formal letter writing, 100 to 120 words based on a given situation. 1 out of 2 questions is to be answered. Here also you are getting a choice. You need to select the easiest one so that you can easily score that 5 marks. Okay. So this is a formal letter. The second question, it is writing an analytical paragraph. Okay, analytical paragraph based on a given outline, data, chart or cues, etc. 1 out of 2 questions to be answered. That also 5 marks. So 5 in the writing section first and also second also 5 marks. So total 10 marks. Now go to the literature reader side. That is lengthy questions or short questions and long answer type questions are also included in this part. Part B, subjective questions, 40 marks category. So third question comes 4 out of 6 questions. Okay, 4 out of 6 short answer type questions to be answered, 20-30 words each from flight, first flight and footprints without feet. Footprints without feet. And 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3 from first flight. And 2 out of 3 from footprints without feet. Remember, this is a very important area. And in this particular question or heading, you are getting 6 short answer type questions. And of the 6, you need to attempt only 4. But here is a criteria also. What is it? You 2 out of 3 from first flight and 2 out of 3 from footprints without feet. Not supposed to write 3 questions from footprints and 1 from first flight. Not like that. You should attempt separately 2 questions of first flight and 2 questions of footprints without feet. Okay. That you should surely concentrate and also don't neglect this instruction. So 2 marks each, 4 questions, 8 marks. You are getting 8 marks over here. And then fourth type question also, here you are getting again 4 out of 6 short answer type questions to be answered, 40 to 50 words each from first flight, see this, and footprints without feet. So here also the same that instruction is applicable in the fourth question set of questions also. Here also you see this 2 out of 3 from first flight and 2 out of 3 from footprints without feet. So this is also very important. You need to attempt only 2 questions of first flight and 2 questions of footprints without feet. Then next one, you see this fifth question. 1 out of 2 long answer type questions from first flight to be answered in about 100 to 120 words each. Assess creativity, imagination, extrapolation beyond the text and across the text. This can be a passage based question taken from a situation and plot from the text. So this question, fifth question, will be exclusively from first flight only, and 2 questions you will get, and of the 2 you need to write only one. This question carries 5 marks. Okay, and here also you see this sixth question, 1 out of 2 long answer type question from footprints without feet. Okay, and here this is also, see that, on theme or plot involving interpretation, extrapolation and beyond the text and inference or character sketch to be answered in about 120 words, 5 marks. So in these last 2 questions, 5 and 6th question, fifth question will be from first flight and 6th will be from footprints without feet. Long answer type question, 5 marks each. Okay, so our prescribed book by CBSE, that is first flight, that is what we discuss, and footprints without feet, that is the supplementary reader. But in order to support the children, as I told you in the beginning, CBSE has deleted some portions. You see from our first flight, how to tell the wild animals, trees, fog, Mitchell the otter, and for Anne Gregory. These are the deleted topics. And from the footprints without feet, the midnight visitor, a question of trust, and the book that saved the earth. These are the deleted topic. And a words and expressions, that is another extra workbook for the students, and that is also deleted. And now you go to that, we were talking about 80 marks only. Now let us see that 80 marks pattern. See this. Okay, so this is sections and competencies and total marks weightage. Section A, reading, you are getting 20 marks, and out of 80 it is almost 25% marks. Writing skills and grammar, 20 marks, and out of 80 it is 25% mark. And literature reader text and supplementary reading text, it is 40 marks, and out of 80 it is 50% of mark. So this is the theory section, theory paper. 80 marks you are getting by writing the examination English language and literature code number 184. This is theory mark. And what about how can you make it 100? That is another task you need to fulfill. So internal assessment, listening and speaking competencies, 30 periods, and assessment of listening and speaking skills will be for 5 marks. It is recommended that listening and speaking skill should be regularly practiced, and you are getting 5 marks. See, 20 mark is, see, absolutely there with your teachers. Accordingly, they will award you the mark based on your performance, listening and speaking competencies, the way that you perform some other assignments in the class, like art integrated projects based on activities, role play, skit, dramatization, etc. And they will take some other areas of your performance also, and how you complete the notebook, the neatness that you maintain, and these like assessment, like project works, etc. will be given. And this 20 marks includes all these things. Okay, and normally the children are awarded 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 marks. Those who do the things in a better way will get complete marks, and those who lack or those who do not do the works correctly, they will get less mark. So together it makes 80 plus 20, 100 marks, and please see that you are doing everything in a proper way. For these listening activities, there are some guidelines also given by the CBSE, parameters for assessment like that. Schedule is also there, and here it is activities, record keeping, and they say that what the records done, that marks must be marks given must be kept for 3 months after the declaration of the results for any random checking by the board. And they are very particular to mention this one also. What is it? No recording of speaking skills is to be sent to the board. Okay, that is one thing. So here the children, you should do the things in the most beautiful way to score the complete mark. English is a very easy subject from where you can score maximum mark comparing to the other subjects. Okay, so follow all this discussion that we have made now in this video, and with confidence you write the examination. And moreover, in these days of pandemic, as I told you earlier, keep yourself safe at home. Okay, maintain social distancing and be safe. Okay, see, don't forget to subscribe this channel. You will get all the class 10 lessons, explanations and notes in this channel. Subscribe and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon also. You will be notified when we upload the videos. Thank you for listening. Thank you.